So now we have the cPanel. This is basically the screen that shows everything available on the new server that we've purchased in the hosting package. When you first access the cPanel, it's going to give you the option to go through a little getting started wizard. I recommend doing this if it's your first time. You get to see a little bit of how everything works. So real quick, we'll do a quick overview. In here, you can set up some mail accounts. Here are some tutorial videos. That's pretty good. You can manage the files that are on your server, create backups, kind of see how everything's going with bandwidth and visitors. You can add domains or set up park domains or subdomains and manage some databases and then add scripts. So really, this is your server. Now, for the purpose of this video and showing you how to make a website, we're going to click WordPress down here. So now you're in a piece of software called Delicious. Sorry that took me so long. We're just going to go straight to install. Real quick, these are all the options of different items that you can install on your server. They come free with the hosting package. So feel free to go through there and see if there's anything you like. This is why I think it's important to have multiple domains, because you have so many options of different things you can easily create. So we'll just start with WordPress. Install. Now, because we want this to be just the domain and we don't want it to be like google.com/WordPress, we're just going to leave this the way it is. Okay? Now come up with a site description, a site name. This is where you enter the username and password that you want for the administrator. I recommend changing this. You should change this to something where at least this says good. Over 50 is what you want it to be. I'm not going to change it just for the purposes of this video. I'll change it after. Alright, so enter your email. This is where a lot of information is going to be emailed. Not a lot. I mean, you won't get too many emails. Mostly whenever there's an update available to WordPress or a comment has been made on your blog. So it's really important to put an email at least that you're going to be checking regularly. Then you can select the language, some advanced options. We're just going to leave all that the same. Then in here you can select the theme. I don't think there's any reason to really change that right now. We're just going to get it installed. So from here, just go down to the bottom and select install. Now you're probably going to get this error. That's okay. So once you get that error, if you get it, just go here, make one change, overwrite files, and then hit install again. Alright, so now the installation is complete. You can view your website right here. So as you can see, that's the website address that I just purchased, domain name. You can go back, click this link, the administrator URL, and log in. Enter the URL, or the username and the password that you just assigned on this page. Log in. And you are now in the administrator side of your website. So you've set up the website. You can access this from anywhere in the world. You can also run the administration there. So check out the next video. I'll go through different items you should set up and what to do next. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to ask any questions in the comments, and please rate and subscribe.